Good morning to all of you. To tell you honestly, my dear brothers and sisters, I am not really good at writing different kinds of speeches. When I saw the list that Sir Aldrin made, I was very shocked to see that I was assigned to deliver an inspirational speech. I asked myself, how can I create an inspirational speech if I feel that even my own self is not inspiring? But then I reflected deeply. I realized that inspiration does not come always from being perfect, excellent, or being the best sometimes. Inspiration comes from admitting our struggles or even our fears or our weaknesses, but still choosing to stand up and continue. When I was in grade 7, my dream was to become a photojournalist. I wanted to capture stories through pictures and to show to people the beauty of truth and also the beauty of life. But because I was afraid to take the risk, I never pursued that dream. I told myself I wasn't good enough, and I let fear silent in me. I decided to just focus on my studies, hide that dream in my heart. At first, I thought I made the right choice, but as the years passed, I realized something important: the pain of not trying at heavier. Fear has stopped me, not failure. And because of that, I learned that sometimes the hardest battle is not against other people, but against our own doubts, our own insecurities. My dear friends, maybe some of you here have also felt the same way, or maybe have dreams but also too afraid to take the risk. Maybe you have talents but afraid people will laugh at you. Let me tell you this. Do not let fear decide your future. It is better to try and fail than never trying at all. Because every failure teaches us something, and every step, no matter how small, us closer to who we are. So today, I want you to encourage you and also myself. Let not be afraid of our weaknesses. Let us not give up because of our mistakes or maybe our low grades. Instead, let's see them as stepping stones to grow stronger. Remember, inspiration is not about perfection. It is about courage, sincerity, and the willingness to keep moving forward. I may not be the best speaker, but I stand here with sincerity, and with that, I hope this simple message inspires you to continue with your journey and also with faith, courage, and hope. So that's all. Thank you, and God bless us all.